This morning ritual triggers fat burning all day. It's not a supplement, it's not a workout, and no, it's not some celebrity-endorsed detox tea. It's a simple morning ritual that flips your metabolism switch on, helping your body tap into fat stores and burn energy efficiently all day long. Let's break it down. What you do in the first 30 minutes after waking up has a massive impact on your metabolism, energy levels, cravings, and even how much fat your body burns over the next 12-16 hours. Most people sabotage their fat-burning potential before they even brush their teeth, reaching for sugary coffee creamers, skipping breakfast entirely, or grabbing a high-carb bagel on the go. All of these send your body into a blood sugar roller coaster that leads to fat storage, energy crashes, and increased hunger throughout the day. But it doesn't have to be that way. There's a better way to start your day. A method rooted in science and practiced by athletes, biohackers, and even ancient traditions. And the best part? You can start it tomorrow morning with 0 supplements, no gym membership, and just a few easy steps. So what exactly is this ritual? Let's walk through it. Step 1. Wake up and hydrate, but not with just water. The first thing your body needs after 7-8 hours without food or water is hydration, but not just plain water. For fat burning, you want to stimulate your metabolism and flush out toxins that accumulate overnight. Here's the recipe. 1 glass of warm water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother, juice from half a lemon, a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. This mixture rehydrates your cells, balances electrolytes, kickstarts digestion, and supports liver detoxification, key for fat metabolism. Apple cider vinegar helps improve insulin sensitivity, which plays a massive role in how your body stores or burns fat. Step 2. Sunshine and movement, the hormone reset. Before you check your phone, emails, or the news, give your body something better. Natural light and light movement. Expose your eyes to natural sunlight within the first 20 minutes of waking. This resets your circadian rhythm, boosts mood-enhancing neurotransmitters, and helps regulate cortisol, the hormone that helps you burn fat when it's balanced. Now pair that light exposure with 5-10 minutes of low-intensity movement. This can be light stretching, a brisk walk, rebounding on a mini trampoline, a few yoga poses. Step 3. High-protein, low-carb breakfast within 1 hour. Here's where most people get it wrong. They either skip breakfast or eat carbs first thing in the morning. That muffin, cereal, or toast might taste good, but it crashes your blood sugar and increases insulin, locking in fat storage mode. Instead, opt for a high-protein, moderate-fat, low-carb breakfast. Aim for at least 25-30 grams of protein. Think scrambled eggs with avocado, a protein smoothie with unsweetened almond milk, frozen berries, chia seeds, and grass-fed whey or collagen, Greek yogurt, full-fat, unsweetened, with hemp seeds and cinnamon. Protein in the morning suppresses hunger hormones like ghrelin, boosts your metabolism by up to 30% for hours, and keeps you full and focused. And bonus tip? Add a sprinkle of cinnamon. It helps stabilize blood sugar and enhances fat metabolism. This simple morning ritual sets your body up for all-day fat burning, sustained energy, and metabolic success.
Step 4. Delay coffee until after breakfast. Here's a surprising truth. Drinking coffee on an empty stomach can backfire on fat loss. Why? It spikes cortisol too high, too fast. This leads to energy crashes, insulin resistance, and increased belly fat over time, especially if you're stressed or sleep deprived. Instead, enjoy your coffee 30-60 minutes after breakfast, when your body has nutrients to buffer the cortisol effect. You'll still get the energy boost, but without the fat-storing consequences. And for an even better fat-burning kick, try this coffee hack. Brew organic black coffee. Add 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or grass-fed butter. Blend until frothy. This bulletproof-style coffee helps you stay in fat-burning mode longer and supports brain function. Step 5. Cold shower or face splash. Want a quick metabolism booster that takes less than 60 seconds? End your morning shower with 30 seconds of cold water, or at least splash cold water on your face. Cold exposure activates brown fat, a type of fat that actually burns calories to produce heat. It also sharpens your mind, reduces inflammation, and supports fat-burning hormones like norepinephrine. Bonus tip. Don't eat again until you're actually hungry. This one's simple, but powerful. After your high-protein breakfast, hold off on snacking. Let your body feel hunger before your next meal. That hunger is a signal that your metabolism is working properly. If you follow these steps, your body learns to burn fat instead of storing it, regulate blood sugar naturally, reduce cravings throughout the day, feel steady energy without needing constant snacks. And most importantly, these habits stack. The more consistent you are, the more your body adapts to become a fat burner by default. Start with just 1 or 2 of these steps tomorrow morning. Once it becomes a habit, add another. Within a week, you'll feel the difference. More energy, better focus, and a metabolism that works with you, not against you. Fat loss doesn't have to be painful. Sometimes all it takes is the right start to your day. The human body runs on a 24-hour internal clock called the circadian rhythm. It controls everything from hormone release to energy production. But what most people don't realize, this clock also decides how efficiently we burn fat, and morning is the prime window to take advantage of it. Between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m., your natural cortisol levels peak. Now, cortisol gets a bad rap as a stress hormone, but in the right balance, it actually helps mobilize stored fat for energy. Here's the catch. If you spike cortisol with caffeine on an empty stomach or by stressing out, it flips, becoming fat storing. But when you pair that natural rise with smart rituals, light movement, hydration, and a protein-rich meal, it acts as a fat-burning accelerator. Your body temperature also rises in the early morning, slightly boosting your basal metabolic rate. That's the perfect time for fasted movement. A brisk 10-minute walk, some yoga, even a few chores. This nudges your body to tap into stored fat, especially the visceral fat that sticks around your organs, the most dangerous kind. Let's go deeper. Overnight, your insulin levels drop. This creates a window in the morning where your body is naturally set to burn fat. Eat a high-carb meal right away or down a sugar-loaded coffee, and you shut that state down. But if you give your body what it really craves, hydration, sunlight, movement, healthy fats, and protein, it keeps burning fat for hours. Another hidden factor? Mitochondrial activation. Your mitochondria, the powerhouses in every cell, are most responsive to change early in the day. Cold exposure, like a brisk shower, natural light, and low glycemic foods all wake up those mitochondria, boosting your energy and fat burning even when you're at rest. There's also the gut connection. Morning is when your gut bacteria are most active, digesting and sending signals to your brain. Some bacteria help regulate weight better. A sugary, low-nutrient breakfast feeds the wrong microbes, the ones that drive cravings. A breakfast packed with fiber and protein strengthens the gut-brain axis, lowering hunger and improving insulin sensitivity all day. The truth is, your body is primed to lose fat in the morning, if you give it the right inputs. Stack these small wins: sunlight, movement, hydration, protein, and delaying caffeine. They trigger a cascade of hormonal and metabolic responses, making fat burning your default state. If you've been struggling with stubborn weight, maybe it's not your metabolism, it could be your morning routine. Rewire the start of your day and your body will begin to follow suit. Let's talk about the hidden ways you might be sabotaging your fat-burning potential before 9 a.m. and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, waking up and scrolling immediately. The first 10-20 minutes of your day should be about grounding your body, not flooding your brain with notifications. That first hit of doom scrolling, it triggers a stress response, spikes your cortisol, and increases blood sugar, all of which promote fat storage and hormonal imbalances. Instead, keep your phone on airplane mode, step outside. Even just 2 or 3 minutes of sunlight in your eyes signals your body to regulate hormones properly. Trust me, this single change can dramatically impact how much fat your body stores or burns throughout the day. Mistake number 2, skipping breakfast or eating high carb. Skipping breakfast might sound like a good way to cut calories, but it often backfires. But even worse is starting your day with a high glycemic meal. Think toast, cereal, muffins, or sweetened coffee drinks. Instead, try this: eggs with spinach and olive oil, Greek yogurt with seeds and berries, or chia seed pudding with coconut milk and cinnamon. This type of breakfast balances insulin, keeps you full for hours, and primes your metabolism to burn fat instead of storing it. Mistake number 3, drinking coffee before water. I get it, morning coffee is sacred, but drinking it before water can stimulate an excessive cortisol response. Fix it by drinking 12 to 16 ounces of water first thing, ideally with lemon, pink salt, and apple cider vinegar. Then wait 30 to 60 minutes after eating to enjoy your coffee. Mistake number 4, no movement until midday. One of the fastest ways to wake up your metabolism is with gentle, fasted movement. Even 5 to 10 minutes of walking or mobility drills can activate your body's fat-burning process. This doesn't have to be a workout. Dance to your favorite song, walk the dog, just move. Mistake number 5, artificial lighting and staying indoors. Exposure to blue light from screens before sunlight tells your brain it's still night. Make it a habit to step outside within 30 minutes of waking. Even on cloudy days, natural light helps your metabolism reset properly. The fix? Build a 20-minute morning reset. Here's the habit stack. Wake up and drink mineralized water. Get 3 to 5 minutes of sunlight, move your body lightly, walk, stretch, yoga, eat a protein-rich breakfast. Delay coffee until after breakfast. If you do this consistently, even 5 days a week, you'll see changes in your energy levels, appetite, belly fat, mood, and focus. This isn't about restriction, it's about alignment. Aligning your morning with how your body naturally works leads to effortless fat loss and sustainable energy. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Live Healthy. Every day, drop a comment with your favorite part, and follow us for more science-backed tips. Your healthiest self starts with how you start your day. Make it count.